always been dyslexic, and he's never been diagnosed until he started this when he was age 48.
I was doing this course, and they said, you're dyslexic, and that's really when everything kind of like fell into place, when you think, that's why I had so much trouble at work and don't like writing and stuff like that. And
so now he's able to challenge, you know, and suggest ideas and how they can change and improve and carry on, really. And I think they're opening an after-school club in the high school, hopefully in September, and he's going to be running this club, you know, in his wife's absence. He's going to open that club.
The club's open at 8 o'clock, parents can drop the children off, then they know they're actually getting a proper breakfast. There's games, all sorts really, and that keeps them occupied till 8:45. And the same thing after school. Parents know the kids are safe, they haven't left the school premises, they're picked up from the classrooms, they're brought back, they're given tea, and then they're occupied.
He's getting a level 4 qualification despite having dyslexia. You know, he's able to do something and succeed.
If you're a farmer, you get up in the morning, you feed the animals, you don't think about, I'm clocking on, I'm clocking off, it's just something you do. It's the same with this really, because when you're not here, you're running around, you're organising activities, artwork, doing the shopping for the club, so it's just a way of life really.
Martin, although you don't feel like you've achieved anything, you really have, and you are an inspiration to all the people that's got dyslexia. Congratulations and well done.
You know, you're thinking, you know, I've just sort of like, it's just been tenacious really and sticking at it, and that's what has got me through is keep thinking, well, I'm not going to give up and just going to stick at it. So I don't really think I should get an award for it. Not really.